Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very rough one on this one, especially not necessarily because it was red, but because of just how the day started off, meaning the day started off what was known as a gap up. So at that point, it was a more than rational thought to be having, hey, maybe this is the start of something bigger. Maybe the bulls are back. Maybe this is going to be a very strong start to the week. And then after that, the price just totally rolled all the way back over. So a nasty gap and trap pair to start the week, which now puts a very important level of support into play, which I believe is right where the price bounced off of today. Yeah. So right here at that 32.90 mark, you go through the history of things, and you can see 32.90 behaved as support. And to give some credit where credit's due, that is an area of support you would want to see hold as support. And once again, it did indeed hold strong. But point here being, a lot of people are now going to be watching that level very closely, and rightfully so. And while nothing is guaranteed, it's a more than valid thought that if the price were to come down to 32.90 and then break down through there, that break in and of itself could very well create quite a bit of downward selling pressure. So keep a close eye on that moving forward, as that's going to be a level of support that matters a whole lot, and many people will be watching it. If the price does break down below that area, next key level to watch at that point would then be down there right around 31.75. In the event the price tries to bounce back upwards, first key area of resistance to watch very closely going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, and that's currently valued at 34.50. So keep a close eye on that. But as of right now, in my opinion, at least, the more important areas and the kind of the more pressing dynamics, because of the downwards momentum that showed up today with that gap and trap, is this level going to come into play? And if 32.75 does come into play, is it going to actually be strong enough to hold up? So we'll see what happens with it. But it's only Monday, so still 4 days left on the week to potentially get things turned around. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.